lack of funding, insufficient resources and poor management, the reason why shelters for victims of abuse countrywide are in an appalling state. The Commission for Gender Equality wants to get to the bottom of the problem. It says some of the shelters are barely surviving.
What we found was a lack of standardized facilities, services and programs. So of course there are some that are in a less safe area. This is another reason why we're so frustrated and disappointed today that the Department of Public Works and Infrastructure didn't send the right officials to appear, because ultimately it's Department of Social Development that needs to work with them to get our buildings back on track.
Proceedings got off to a stumbling start.
We do have access in terms of our Act 2 criminal proceedings against the people who decided not to appear. I think we're going to see the investigation after this, what actually happened and why the people didn't appear.
The focus shifted to the police's handling of victims' complaints. Officers often come under fire for turning away victims and not responding to domestic violence disputes. The SABC insists that staff is being trained.
1,079 of those police stations have these centers. It's only 73 that are not having the victim support, friendly support service centers, and we are working towards capacitating those.
The hearings continue on Friday, with the Directors General of Health and Labour expected to account. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News, Johannesburg.